Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to restore a backup on Cudy AX1800. And let's begin. I'm currently on Cudy.net, a website in which you can access at any time on any device as long as you have your device connected to Wi-Fi network. Anyway, we want to head to Advanced Settings, scroll all the way down, and right under System we should see Backup/Restore. We click it, and here we can see the Restore Backup option. You want to browse our files. Mine is in the downloads folder, and here we should see .bin file, which is my backup. I will simply click Open, and as you can see now I'm rebooting my system in order to reboot with my new backup info. If you're wondering how to create a backup, don't worry, we do have a tutorial on that too. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.